Let's sew underpants for men. To find the sewing pattern, please follow link under the video. You will need jersey fabrics and elastic band. The patterns include seam allowance. Let's check pattern pieces. You will have main piece with the fold, cut piece and gusset. If you want to make a contrasting side, cut the main piece. Stitch 2 cut pieces along the center seam. Press the seam allowance. Pin one cut piece to the wrong side of the main piece, aligning the notches. Pin the second cut piece to the right side of the main piece, aligning the notches, and stitch everything together on the overlock machine. The seam should be on the inside. Finish the second edge in the same way. The seam should be on the inside. Press the seam. Pin the gusset to the cut piece using notches. Stitch it on the overlock machine and press. Stitch the lower edge of the gusset to the lower edge of the main piece. Press the seam. Cut the elastic band and stitch it into a loop. Mark 4 control points on the elastic band and aligning them with the notches on the waistline. Pin them to the right side. Stitch it. Hem the bottom of the underpants and it will be ready.